Because the word black is a social construct that was created by them, black and white. All you need to do is look up a man named Johann Friedrich Blumenbach. Him and his committee came up with that.
With the terminology black.
Of black and white and all these. They base a person's skin color on a race when it's actually your father. And the proof of that is Deuteronomy what? Deuteronomy chapter 32:8.
When they separated, when they divided the nations.
Yes, it says they separated who?
The nations.
No, afterwards. Who? It says he divided the nations their inheritance. He separated the sons of Adam, not the daughters.
First and foremost, all praises to the Most High.
With the waterfall at, the waterfall. I got I'm gonna get up, man. Enjoy this show, man. You don't going up there. Showing some praise, you know what I'm saying? You know them boys want to see you up there showing love. But all praise.
Hey man, let's stay in touch, man. You got my number. Let's get it good, man. We can always be building, man.
It's gonna be like, man,
that's how he is. I'm ready, man.
The reason why he chose for me to know, but I'm gonna try our fucking hardest to make my election show. Just talking to some folks, they asked about the disease, they must have found the Holy Ghost. See, to keep it low, I must be the elect, that's what I say when I be flowing. Let my talent be used and let the Lord get all the glory. Honoring the ahchyam that paved the way before me. Y'all really being bold. Cause I see how this grow. From the trials to try and fight, they can go before the draws. Every day I count the calls. Yeah, I'ma sing his praises loud. You just sitting on the couch. We hush, but we hunting in a minute, so you know. I'm just trying to be a whole praises to the Most High. Gave sight to the blind when I was walking with a closed eye. Hawking with a full fight. Lost without the foresight. Not a thing to lose, but that like that lets her know light. Right? What is man that you were mindful of? I don't know. Wake me up going and send me Lord, I'ma go. Why I gotta give him praise? Cause Yahweh woke me up by Shimon when he slain. First and foremost. All praises to the Most High. Gave sight to the blind when I was walking with a closed eye. Hawking with a full fight. Lost without the foresight. Not a thing to lose, but that like that lets her know light. Right? What is man that you were mindful of? I don't know. Wake me up going and send me Lord. I'ma go. Why I gotta give him praise? Cause Yahweh woke me up by Shimon when he slain. Right. First and foremost, all praises to the Most High. Call the Lord Yahweh. La 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 la, yeah, la 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 la, yeah. First and foremost, la 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 la, yeah, la 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 la, yeah. First and foremost, call Lord Yahweh ahchyam Mashiach Yahushua. Right. Yeah, let me get that next one, DJ. Let me get a love song. It's a little love song I wrote. Everybody gotta know love. But this is a deep passion I have. A deep passion to shed blood of the heathen. Not a lot to it. What's a lot to it? Knowing that the heathen is love song for a little spittle. Just a little spittle. Not a lot to it. Listening to music with some vibe to it. Knowing that the heathen is a hot love song for a little spittle. Just a little spittle. Raise it, bring it all down. Headlock heathen. To the brim, order some more rounds. Nah, I'm really locking, I'ma need some more rounds up. What I'm chosen to deliver. Before you go to the seal of the gates open, bring it in and get out. Ain't only you experience a drought. I roll to a bag of bar, know where you at? You know it's a rap, you play the game. But then when I'm calling my bound woman as I'm waiting for dinner. Oh, how the tables turn, it's poetic. I need my dog, I'm gonna go get it, say some silverware. Israelite and the Jew is about. Cause ain't no party like a 12-gauge party, cause a 12-gauge party don't. And it's all inner court and no outer court. Cause Yahweh left you, he is not allowed. Scared of the growth. And shalom to the saints that have counted the coast. My Shabbat ahchyam. Steady. To the mirrors, not a lot to it. Listen to the music with some pop to it. Knowing that the enemy's like love song for the little spittle. Just a little spittle. To the mirrors, not a lot to it. Listen to the music with some pop to it. Knowing that the enemy's like love songs for the little spittle. Just a little spittle. Right, man. They just a little spittle, you feel me? Just a drop in the bucket. You feel me? Just a nice cold drop off of my IPA. You feel me? Yeah. Off my gold chalice. All praises to the Most High. Let me get on. I apologize. DJ. I apologize. This is a song just dedicated to my mama, you know, just in case I don't get to say goodbye to her at some point in my life.
Almost at the end.
Gabby, 2 more songs. My Alliance.
What's up, man?
You hear me? Yeah, I just don't happen to have my whole lines here. Well, not my whole lines, but we in here. Right? Turn it up. Turn the music up. Right! To our alliance, I pledge allegiance to Yahweh and my riders. The ones that do working like Michael Myers. Let all reload the magazine and fire. It's wartime, right down the fire. I pledge allegiance to Yahweh and my riders. The ones that do working like Michael Myers. Let all reload the magazine and fire. It's wartime. Stepped up in this motherfucker swinging my hair. Yo, better know that G.I.F.T